Welcome! Today, we'll guide you through changing your Microsoft account profile picture in just a few easy steps. First, log into your Microsoft account using your preferred browser. Make sure you're on the main dashboard. Next, click on your current profile picture located at the top right corner. This opens your profile settings. Now, select Change Picture from the drop-down menu. You'll be prompted to upload a new image. Choose a photo from your device. Ensure it's clear and sized appropriately for the best results. After selecting your photo, click Save. Your new profile picture will now be displayed on your account. Congratulations! You successfully changed your Microsoft account profile picture. Practical and easy, right? Remember, you can update your picture anytime. Keep it fresh and aligned with your personal brand. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching. Feel free to ask any questions below in the comments. See you in the next video. Happy tech exploring!